Bridging ideas. Mastering conjunctions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's exciting English lesson. In our last few lessons, we've been focusing on describing routines and habits in English. Today, we're going to go one step further and explore how to connect our ideas with something called conjunctions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use conjunctions to make your sentences flow more smoothly, which is a key skill for mastering conversational English. So, what exactly are conjunctions? Simply put, conjunctions are words that join together sentences, phrases, or parts of sentences. They allow us to form complex, interesting sentences and connect our ideas in a fluid way. Examples of common conjunctions include and, but, or so, and because. Let's move on to how we can use these in our daily conversations, especially when talking about routines and habits. For example, instead of saying, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I go to work, you could use conjunctions to make it sound more natural. I wake up, and then I brush my teeth before I go to work. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Try to think of your daily routine and how you can describe it using conjunctions. You might say something like, I usually have a cup of coffee after I wake up, but on weekends, I prefer to have tea because it's more relaxing. Before we wrap up, let's review some of the key conjunctions we've learned today. 1. And connects similar ideas or items in a list. 2. But shows a contrast between two ideas. 3. Or presents alternatives or choices. 4. So indicates a result or effect. 5. Because provides a reason or cause. Remember, using conjunctions effectively can greatly improve the flow of your conversations and make your English sound more natural. And there we have it. That's our quick guide on how to connect ideas with conjunctions when talking about daily routines and habits. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Remember, practice is key when it comes to learning any new skill, so don't forget to try using these conjunctions in your everyday English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning!